Chartboost Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to Chartboost are in the description. Chartboost is a leading mobile advertising and monetization platform designed specifically for game developers and app publishers. It provides a full-stack solution for user acquisition, in-app monetization, and programmatic advertising, making it an essential tool for developers looking to scale their apps profitably. With direct deals, real-time bidding, and a powerful mediation platform, Chartboost enables advertisers to reach high-value users while maximizing revenue for publishers. One of the platform's key strengths is its programmatic exchange, which connects advertisers with premium inventory across thousands of mobile apps. Chartboost's real-time bidding, RTB, ensures that advertisers get the best value for their budget, while publishers benefit from competitive ad pricing. Additionally, its direct deals marketplace allows developers to negotiate exclusive campaigns with advertisers, cutting out the middleman and increasing revenue potential. For game developers, Chartboost offers rewarded video ads, interstitials, and playable ads, all optimized for high engagement and retention. Rewarded video ads, in particular, have been a proven strategy for increasing user engagement while driving incremental revenue without disrupting the gaming experience. The platform also provides cross-promotion tools, allowing developers to promote their own apps within their portfolio to drive organic installs. On the monetization side, Chartboost's mediation platform enables publishers to manage multiple ad networks from a single dashboard, optimizing ad placements for higher eCPMs. The AI-driven optimization automatically adjusts waterfall settings to maximize revenue while maintaining a great user experience. One of Chartboost's standout features is its deep analytics suite. Advertisers and publishers have access to granular performance data, including user behavior insights, retention rates, and revenue attribution, allowing for data-driven decision-making. This level of transparency ensures that campaigns are optimized for both performance and profitability. Overall, Chartboost is a powerful and flexible solution for mobile game developers and publishers looking to acquire users, monetize effectively, and scale their apps. Its combination of programmatic advertising, direct deals, and advanced analytics makes it a top choice in the mobile ad space. If you're looking to grow your game or app revenue, check out the links in the description.